How to change your address on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your address on Shopee. First of all, open up the Shopee.com site. Once you get into its site, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, go into your account option from here. So, once you get into your account info, click on addresses from the dashboard. After that, you can click on your current address and make changes in it. Then, tap to submit it as your new address. Or you can delete the current address and tap to add a new address in here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.